In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do a twisted fringe finish for weavings. Here I'm showing you some pre-twisted fringe, but I'm going to gather two sets of 3 or 4 of the warp yarns, and here you'll see I'm twisting that set clockwise. So twisting, twisting, twisting. I don't want to over twist it so that there's a little bump in it. I just want to get enough energy or twist into that when it's combined with the one next to it, it's going to twist on itself. So here you'll see it twists the other way. So I've twisted it clockwise, both bundles, and then together it twists itself counterclockwise to create a beautiful finish for a weaving. And now, just to secure that edge, I'm going to knot it, and I'm going to try to measure and do an overhand knot to make sure that each of the knots end at the same place on the fringe. This will be another example of the same process where I'm using 2 more sets of warp yarns. In this case, I have a color in one, so you'll really get to see how those fringes twist together. So again, I'm overhand twisting it, holding that twist or energy in the yarn, holding it in place, grabbing the second bundle, twist, 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 and once you put it together, they'll naturally twist together in the opposite direction. So I have a little bundle, I'm going to twist and then tie a knot, overhand knot, to hold on to that so nothing comes undone. This is a way to protect the edge of your weaving so nothing comes unwoven. It's an edge protector, but it's also a beautiful finish. In this next demonstration, I'm going to use a fringe twisting device that I bought. And then this one, it requires, or you can do up to 4 separate twists. So I'm separating my warp ends into 2 or 3 warps per bundle, and I'm putting it in these alligator clips and trying to get the tension right so that they're each pulled pretty parallel to the cloth itself, the edge of the cloth itself. And once each one is secured in, you'll see I can twist them all simultaneously in the one direction. Again, I'm going to go clockwise here, overhand clockwise, tightening this one a little bit just to get my tension right. Twisting over, 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 over. And so you can see that it does sort of the work I was doing by hand in the first part of this tutorial. And when I feel like there's enough twist in it, I'm going to release all of the bundles and let them twist on themselves. So here I'm going to gather them together, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then hold the end and let that energy move up so they're now twisting counterclockwise to create a unified fringe. And again, I think sometimes people don't knot the end, but I get a little nervous, so I like to put an overhand knot. But there's lots of other finishes you could do to complete your weaving that might be a little more decorative even. And there you have it, fringe twist end for weaving.